Hi everyone. I'd like to talk about an example about finding the mean and standard deviation. More importantly, I want to show you guys what kind of work I'm expecting to see in the exam. For this class, you are required to use a graphing calculator, and that can be very helpful in the first couple chapters, and then it will be extremely helpful for the later chapters. Okay. So let's use this simple data set to illustrate what kind of work I want to see in the test. So we have a data set of just 4 observations. So to find the mean, we start with the formula. Basically, you add up all the observations and divide it by the total number of observations. So I do want you to set up the equation just like this. And then for the final answer, the 23.5, you can use the function in your graphing calculator. So you can find the instruction on page 89 on the textbook. All right, so similarly for the sample standard deviation, so you follow the formula, basically subtract each observation by its mean, square it, add all them up, and then divide it by the total number of observations minus 1. So just like the sample mean in the previous slide, I do want you to set up the equation like this. Okay? And then for the final answer, use your graphing calculator to do that. And the instruction is also on page 89. Now, if it's not a big data set, I'm okay with you just do it by hand. When I say do it by hand, still use your calculator, but just not using any function on the graphing calculator. So you can come up with this middle step where you have square root of 11 over 3 and then simplify it to 1.9149. But I do think it's going to take more time than using the function on your graphing calculator. So for the 1.9149, I encourage you to use the function on your graphing calculator to find it. Okay, so in summary, set up the equation and then for the final answer, use the function in your graphing calculator to do that. Okay, that's it.